Alhamdulillah. Thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma bad. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone once again to Halal Dollars free training and coaching program. Inshallah, today we are going to be learning about Instagram content strategies for business owners and service providers. So for the accounts that we'll be needing our Canva account and our copy.ai account. So these two accounts, we've created them before in the second class when we were learning about Facebook. So inshallah, today we are going to be revisiting those accounts to create the content for our Instagram. So we would also be needing our free landing page template from elements.envato.com. So we've explained at length how to use these two, so we are not going to be repeating it here. So we would also be needing the Go Full Page Chrome extension. We've explained how to use the Go Full Page Chrome extension. So, and also a converting copy. So that's where we need our copy.ai. So to create a converting copy, we would also be learning about hashtags. So hashtags help our content to rank for specific keywords. So we are going to be explaining how we are going to be using these hashtags. And the last of them is growing your Instagram account. So we are going to be explaining all of them in details, inshallah. So for the converting copy, creating our converting copy, it's similar to what we have learned with the Facebook and the second video that we did. So the small business pain points, we have already listed 100 of them. So, and we started with the one that has to do with the one who does not have enough money. So that's pain point. We are still just going to go back into copy.ai. However, this time we are going to be using what? Instagram. So now we are going to copy.ai. So we already have an account, so we just go there. So we sign in. We don't need to sign up, so we just log in. We already have an account, so perfect. So this was what we did yesterday. So now we want to do for Instagram. So you type Instagram, so you see it here, Instagram captions. So you click on it. So it's similar. So we're just going to tell them what our post is going to be about. And just like yesterday, we said what? How to use website, or our website design. Our website design solves money problems for small businesses. So we're good to go. So we ask you to create. So we have content here. So when it comes to your money, you have options from paying bills to building your credit. Find out how website design can help your small business grow. This is nice. You understand? We have this also. Let's help you avoid those money problems and create a website that works for your business. So these are all beautiful content. So all I just need to do is pick one. So we can use this, and we already have the content. Do you understand? So we'll go back to our Instagram. Obviously we want to post. Now when we want to post on Instagram, just like on Facebook, we are going to use our image. Now for the image on Instagram, it's usually square, 1080 by 1080. So I have made a Canva template for the Instagram design. So it's the link to it is in the description for the video below. So I'll just go there now. So this is the link. So this is what you're going to see, just like the Facebook template. So you can see it's 1080 by 1080 here. So I want to use the template. So everything here is similar to what we've done before. So if you come to your uploads, so you can always just drag and drop. So the way we did yesterday, drag and drop, and what? Drag and drop, and you're good to go. So for this one, you double click, you adjust it. So if we've done this at length yesterday, so I don't want to waste time here. You double click this, you adjust it to what lies below. You understand? And for this one, you make sure that it is your hero image. Then the one in the center, you give it shadows. So you come to edit image, and you come to shadows, and you give it glow. So and when you give it glow, you're going to wait a bit to edit it. So it's worth noting that if once you are done editing it here and you leave, that edit would stay there forever. So you can't undo that, except if you undo it. So it's just going to be there permanently. You can't take it away. So it's worth noting that. So it's just one of those things that we have to manage with Canva. So I have this and it's perfect for me now. So all I need to do is share it. So I click the download button as usual. We only have one page, so I don't have the issue of downloading. So this is so I come to download and I click the download link. So now that I've downloaded it, so I have the first thing that I need, which is my image. So I come to, so I want to share a post on my Instagram. So I select my post, which is this. So I open it. Perfect. You can see it's perfect here. So I go to next. So I think it's fine as it's the original. You understand? So we're going to write our caption. So our caption is what we had copied earlier on from our Instagram captions in copy.ai. So we just come here and we paste it. Do you understand? So the next one is to get our hashtags. So for our hashtags, there are two ways to add our hashtags. You can either add your hashtag first in the actual in the actual post. So, and if you want to do that, you're going to press your dots, enter at least 6 to 10 times. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, such that anyone who reads this post will not actually see those hashtags. So we don't want those reading this post to see this hashtag. So we'll go to best hashtags, just as we went yesterday. So these best hashtags. So we go there. So and we search for website design as usual. So it gives us our best hashtags. So we copy it. We come back to Instagram. We post it. So you post it. We go back again. We copy the second one. Sorry about that. We scroll down again. And you paste it. So we're perfect. So this is the first way to do it. The second way to do it is after you've made your post, you comment on your post first and you comment with those hashtags. So we're going to also do that so you see how it's done. So the next thing we have to do, we ought to have done it earlier on, is to add a call to action. We didn't add it here, so we have to add it. Message me to get started. So, and we are good to go. So we share this. So can see it's fairly simple. So our post has been shared now. So if what we want to do is that we want to use the second method, which is posting as a comment, you click on it and you paste it, then you click on the post. And click on the post. Unlike the first method, which we could use a lot of hashtags, this second method only allows us to use not as much hashtags. So, but all said and done. So that's basically how you can post such that your post will not be ranked. Or basically, that's how you can post to rank on Instagram. So you need to be doing this 3 times a day. So that makes 6 posts. 3 posts for Facebook and 3 posts for Instagram every single day. So all you need to do is create your content together, and when you're doing your design, you create your design together. So when you're posting, you already have your content made and you have your design made, so it doesn't look cumbersome. Now that this has been well understood, so now we're going to learn about growing your Instagram account. So the first method we'll be learning is follow back. So you follow people so that they'll follow you back. So that's the norm in the Instagram community. So when you follow people, they'll follow you back. When you follow people, they'll follow you back. So if you follow a group of people for them to follow you back and they don't follow you back, then you have to unfollow them. However, if you are following someone because of the content the person is delivering to you, or because of the value you are getting from such a person, then you don't need to unfollow such a person back. So, but basically, when you follow people, they will follow you back. This is the first way to grow your Instagram account. The second way is to engage in comments. So you go to where things that have to do with website design are discussed, and you engage in such comments. You show interest in it, and such that Instagram will be showing you more interactions that are of similar interest. So that way you'll be able to interact with people, and you would also have people you can follow and that will follow you back. So there is one mistake many people make, and is that they buy bots or fake followers. This is the wrongest thing you can do, especially for someone that wants to use his Instagram account for professional reasons, because we want to connect with real people and we want to interact with people that can actually trust us enough to render our services. If you are starting with bots or fake followers, you're just reducing or watering down the quality of your prospective leads. So that is very, very important. You must not buy fake followers. You must not buy bots. Use bots to push or to boost your Instagram account. Now that has been understood, that marks the end of today's class. So inshallah, our assignment is that we're going to create 3 Instagram posts designs on Canva. We're also going to write 3 copies using copy.ai. So similar to our Facebook, we're going to be uploading 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. So it means that every single day we're expected to upload 6 posts on social media, 3 on Facebook and 3 on Instagram. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes all what we have said better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.